let's just get started with our lesson. So we are moving to skill 5, which will be about who and where. Oke, what does it mean who and where? Maksudnya apa sih di listening ada kayak gini who and where? Jadi, just like what I told you guys, when we are doing listening section, especially part A itu kan berbentuk short dialogue, right? Or short conversation. Thanks Miss Val. Yes, you're welcome Nat. Karena kan dia berbentuk short dialogue. Nah, jadi short dialogue itu it's just two lines of conversation. So between the first speaker and the second speaker, like the first speaker will speak one line and then the second speaker will respond in one line. Sudah gitu. Cuman 2 line doang. And after that, the narrator will give the question immediately. Like the question will always ask about what the second speaker mean or what the second speaker implies. So again and again, don't miss. Thank you for the rose, Nat. Don't miss the second speaker part. Okay? Otherwise, I believe you're not gonna be able to answer the question. Like, believe me. Believe me. So don't miss the second speaker part. Because the answer is there anyway, gitu. Karena kuncinya ada di second speaker. But again, it doesn't mean that you have to neglect or you have to ignore the first speaker part, ya. Bukan berarti yang first speaker partnya diabaikan, udah nggak usah dengerin yang first speaker. No, first speaker itu juga sometimes important because sometimes the first speaker itu nge-lead ya, give the question to the second speaker gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian tidak mendengar bagian first speaker, tapi kalian mendengar bagian second speaker, there is still a possibility that you will be able to answer. But if you miss the second speaker at all, like it's gonna be really hard for you to answer. Okay, so in doing part A, make sure that you don't miss the second speaker part. Okay, so who and where question ini agak sedikit berbeda ya. Kalau misalnya yang kemarin di skill 1, skill 2, skill 3, skill 4 itu semua menanyakan what does the man mean? What does the second speaker mean? What does the second speaker imply? What does the second speaker suggest to the first speaker? Ya, intinya kalau dia bilang what does the man mean, the woman mean, itu pasti si second speaker. Gitu, karena mereka pasti selalu beda gender nih, speaker 1 sama speaker 2-nya. Nah, kalau who dan where, itu sebenarnya pertanyaannya sangat bisa ditebak. Ya, sangat bisa ditebak. Jadi, who dan where ini biasanya pertanyaannya gini. Nanti si naratornya tanya, kira-kira misalnya, who is the woman most likely to be? Woman-nya itu pasti si second speaker juga, guys. Gitu, misalnya gini nih, kita lihat contoh ya. Ini first speaker. What do you do during your performance? Hi, good morning Sunflower. Welcome to my live stream. Jadi sini si first speakernya, what do you do during your performances? Kemudian si second speakernya jawab, I play the piano and sing. Thank you for the heart me. And then naratornya bilang, who is the woman most likely to be? Siapa sih kira-kira si woman itu? Si woman tadi siapa? Si second speaker gitu ya. Nah, kalau misalnya dia tanya who is the second speaker atau who is the woman di sini, itu biasanya dia menanyakan pekerjaannya. Kira-kira occupation dari second speaker itu apa gitu ya. Jadi pilihannya an athlete, a member of the audience, or a clerk in a music store, or a musician. Nah, karena dia tadi bilang, what do you do during your performance? I play the piano and sing. Dia bermain piano dan juga bernyanyi, so most probably the second speaker is a musician, right? Nah, jadi kalau where kayak gini. Kalau where itu biasanya si naratornya nanyain, kira-kira conversation itu take place-nya di mana? Ya, conversation itu berlangsungnya di mana? Gitu. For example, on the recording you hear the first speaker say, I'd like to open an account, please. Oke, terus si woman-nya bilang, the second speaker, what type of account would you like? A checking or savings account? Oke, and then naratornya tanya, where does this conversation probably take place? Oke, biasanya jawabannya berupa tempat, optionnya berupa tempat. in an accounting class, in a bank, at a service station, dan in a market. Oke, jadi tadi karena mereka ngomongin tentang account, si first speakernya mau buka account, terus second speakernya bilang mau account apa gitu, account checking atau account saving. Saving itu apa? Nabung, ya kan? Nah, so most probably they are at a bank. Nah, jadi gini, untuk pertanyaan who dan where, ya, who dan where ini, it's very predictable. Sangat predictable gitu. Kenapa? Kalian tinggal lihat opsi. Maksudnya opsi gimana? Misalnya gini. Nah, contohnya gini nih. Ya, kalian lihat opsi. Kalau opsinya berupa pekerjaan kayak gini, misalnya a school administrator, a postal worker, a banker, a teacher, semuanya berupa pekerjaan. Udah pasti. Ya, udah pasti si naratornya bakal menanyakan who is the second speaker? Most probably gitu. Dia pasti nanyain second speaker itu siapa. Gitu. Kalian lihat aja pilihannya, ya. Kalau pilihannya berupa pekerjaan, udah pasti dia nanyain second speaker itu siapa. Gitu. Kemudian, nah, kalau pilihannya berupa tempat seperti ini, in a bakery, in a grocery store, in a florist shop, in a garden, udah pasti juga second speakernya pasti bakalan nanyain mereka kira-kira ada di mana gitu. Ya, so the questions for who and where is actually very predictable, guys. Ya, jadi misalnya kalau kalian lihat nih pertanyaannya berupa pekerjaan, langsung like you are drawing an image in your mind kayak wah kira-kira siapa ya second speaker nih. Cari ininya, key-nya. Ya, the keyword from their conversation gitu. Find the keyword from their conversation, kira-kira dia si second speaker itu siapa gitu. Terus kalau misalnya mereka nggak bakalan sebutin ya. You're not gonna find the answer in the dialogue gitu. Jadi kayak misalnya si second speaker nggak bakalan bilang, "Hi, I'm a librarian" gitu. No, she's not gonna tell you explicitly like that in the conversation. So you really need to draw the conclusion by yourself from the conversation they are having. You got it, right? So yeah, they're not gonna say it explicitly to you. Gitu. Begitu juga dengan where question ini. They're not gonna tell you like, hey, we are in a bakery right now. No, nggak akan. They're not gonna tell you like the exact answer for where they are at the moment. Okay, but it's you yourself that need to draw the conclusion from their conversation. Gitu, kira-kira mereka di mana gitu. Oke, seperti tadi. Kamu mau buka akun apa? Akun checking atau akun menabung gitu, saving. Oh, so they are at the bank, most probably gitu. Okay, so this kind of question is very predictable. You can just check on the options, okay? If the options are in the form of occupations like this, so the question must be who. Who is the second speaker? Pasti yang ditanya juga second speaker ya. And then if the answers are in the form of places like this, the questions are most probably where the conversation are taking place. Okay, so let's see the example right here. Let's see the example for example number 1. Okay, first speaker. I'd like to mail this package, please. Oke, tadi kita cek ininya dulu ya, lihat opsinya ya. Opsinya kan sudah ada tertera nih in your answer sheet, right? Jadi tinggal lihat, oh, school administrator semuanya berbentuk pekerjaan. Pasti pertanyaannya who is the second speaker? Oke, langsung siap-siap gitu. Jadi di sini I'd like to mail this package, please. First or second class. Nah, jadi si second speaker di sini melayani si main speaker yang mau si first speaker yang mau mail a package, right? Berarti who is the woman? Most likely to be woman-nya si second speaker, ya kan? Siapa sih si second speaker? Karena dia melayani si first speaker yang mau mail the package, so most probably she is a postal worker. Yang paling mungkin itu postal worker dibanding dengan yang lain-lain ya. Gitu. Oke, terus yang number 2. Nah, number 2 nih, langsung lihat pilihannya berupa tempat. In a bakery, in a grocery store, in a florist shop, in a garden. Oke, pilihannya berupa tempat. Pasti pertanyaannya, where does this conversation take place? gitu. Langsung siap-siap, langsung ngebayangin waktu mereka ngobrol, ngebayangin kira-kira mereka ada di mana gitu ya. Draw a conclusion, take a conclusion gitu. For example, how much are the flowers? $10 a bouquet, kata si man-nya, kata si second speaker ya. Jadi si woman-nya tanya berapa harga bunganya, $10, and the man give the price of the flowers, right? So yeah, most probably the man is so most probably they are in a florist shop gitu. Kemudian number 3, look at the options. The options are in the form of occupation. Semuanya occupation. So most probably the question will be asking who is the second speaker. Oke, jadi langsung siap-siap gitu. Sini. I need to get this prescription filled. Prescription. What is prescription? Resep obat ya. Kemudian if you take a seat, I'll have your medicine ready for you in a moment. Who is the woman? Oke, kira-kira si woman siapa? Of course, iya, Sunflower. Of course, she is a pharmacist. Karena si man-nya minta resep, terus si woman will prepare the medicine for the first speaker gitu. Oke, jadi pertanyaan who dan where is very predictable. Oke. Berarti kita bisa langsung ya, gas ya, ke TOEFL exercise. Nah, tadi udah paham kan? Jadi kalian langsung kayak siap-siap nih lihat opsinya. Ya, look at the option. Number 1, the options are in the form of place. Pasti pertanyaannya where. Yang ini pilihannya berupa occupations. Pasti pertanyaannya who is. Yang ditanyakan who. Who-nya pasti who is the second speaker. Alright. Oke, jadi nomor 1 dan 2 dulu ya. Soalnya ini kepotong ke bawah tuh ya. Number 1 and 2 untuk warming up for this morning. Ini TOEFL exercise 5. Oke. Ya.
TOEFL exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who and where. Number 1.
Do you want to go into the water?
No, thanks. I prefer to lie here on the sand.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
What's the assignment for tomorrow's class?
You should read chapter 5 and answer the questions at the end of the chapter. Who is the man most likely to be?
Okay, now you can drop your answer everyone. Langsung 2 ya, drop jawabannya ya. Hai Teguh, morning. User CB. Oke. Iqbal CB. SB apa? CB. Oke, CB. Doni juga CB. Oke. Levo CB. Nat CB. Alright. CNB. Eva, oke. CB. Oke, number 1. Apa tadi keywordnya? Ada yang masih ingat nggak? Keywordnya apa? Kenapa kalian jawab dia at the beach? How do you know that they are at the beach? What was the keyword? Sand. Yes, that's right, Iqbal. Jadi si first speaker, do you want to go into the water? Yes, lay down in the sand. Yes. Do you want to go into the water? Kata first speaker. No, thanks. Thanks, Eric. I prefer to lie here on the sand. I prefer to lie here on the sand. Ya. Nggak suka baring-baring aja di pasir ya. So most probably they are bukan di desert ya. Di beach, at the beach. Sama-sama. Oke, Eric. And then number 2. Who is the second speaker? Tadi kalian jawab B semua. Oke. B itu teacher. Ya. Keywordnya apa kira-kira? How do you know that the man is a teacher? Chapter, ya ada kata-kata chapternya tadi, that's right. Oke, si first speakernya tanya, what's the assignment for tomorrow's class? Need to read the new chapter. Ya, apa tugas untuk besok, kata si first speaker. You should read chapter 5 and answer the questions at the end of the chapter. Dia kasih assignmentnya. So, yeah, read the new chapter, that's right, Doni. So, the second speaker is most probably a teacher. Yes. All right. So number 1 is C. This one, and number 2 is be a teacher. Okay. So now let's go on. Continue to number 3, 4, 5, 6. I think. Let's do it 4 numbers. Ya, 3 nomor langsung ya. Karena ini nanti nomor 6-nya sendirian. Kalau 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear, guys? I think it's clear, right? Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to guess. Okay, Iqbal, guess. Yeah, try to guess the question. Yeah, try to guess the question from the options given. All right, let's do it.
Number 3.
Can you tell me how long I can keep these books?
You can check them out for 2 weeks.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 4.
Are there many problems with my teeth? I've tried to brush regularly.
I see one tooth that needs to be filled.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 5.
The seatbelt light is flashing.
Yes, I think we're going to land soon.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 6.
The wedding is actually tomorrow.
I can't believe that tomorrow's our wedding day.
Who is the woman most likely to be?
Okay, you can drop your answer. So guys, jawabannya langsung 4 ya, langsung 4. Jangan satu-satu, kayak tadi misalnya A, D, I don't know, you are answering for which number. Jadi langsung 4. Langsung 3, 4, 5, 6 berurutan. ACAD, alright, ACAD, okay. ACAD, ACAC ada juga. ACAD Iqbal, okay. Okay, ACAD juga. CBAD Axel, okay, different. ACAC, alright. Alright, so the answers are various. Beda-beda semua ya, oke. Number 3. Nah, kalau kita lihat pilihannya berupa tempat. So, the question is asking about where the conversation is taking place. Right? So, where are they, guys? Where are they? In a library. Yes. So, what is the keyword? What is the keyword that makes you think that the answer is A, in a library? How do you know that they are at the library? How long? Borrow books for 2 weeks. Ya, keep the books. Ya, mungkin ada yang terkecoh menjawab bookstore gitu ya, karena tadi they are talking about book anyway. But karena si first speakernya ask, can you tell me how long I can keep these books? Ya, you can check them out for 2 weeks. Ya, boleh dibawa pulang, di keep bukunya for 2 weeks. It means they are in a library. Oke, kalau di bookstore kan nggak boleh pinjam buku kan, you have to buy it, right? Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, and then number 4. Number 4, if we are looking at the options are all in the form of occupations. So the question must be, who is the second speaker, right? So who is the second speaker? What is the clue? What is the keyword? Teeth. Yes. Teeth, that's right. Beautician, secretary, dentist, a gas station attendant. Yeah, so yeah, the keyword is the word teeth, right? So the first speaker asked, are there many problems with my teeth? I've tried to brush regularly. And then the second speaker said, I see one tooth that needs to be filled. Ada satu gigi yang perlu ditambal katanya, that needs to be filled. Ya, teeth, brush, filled. Jadi si second speakernya tadi specifically jawab ada satu gigi yang perlu ditambal. Berarti ya most probably he is a dentist, ya. Dan yang paling memungkinkan dibanding yang lain ya dentist, right? Okay, number 5. If we are looking at the options are in the form of place. Semuanya nama tempat. Berarti menanyakan where. Okay, what is the clue for number 5? Do you still remember? Ada kata apa? Landing. Yes, that's right. Ada kata landing. Landing, yes. So, number 5, the seat belt light is flashing, katanya. The seat belt light is flashing. Jadi, tanda seat belt itu udah menyala gitu. Yes, I think we're going to land soon. We're going to land soon. Ya, artinya kita akan mendarat sebentar lagi. Ya, so where are they? They are most probably in a plane. Yes, kalau kita lihat semuanya berbentuk transportation ya. Tapi karena mendarat ya berarti mereka dari udara ke darat. So yeah, of course they are in a plane, right? So the answer is A. Okay. And then number 6. Number 6, what's the keyword? Our wedding, yes. Our wedding ya, bisa jadi marriage counselor or bride ya. Kalau kata marriage, kalau kata wedding. Nah, tapi tadi si first speakernya bilang the wedding is actually tomorrow katanya. Dia mau nikah ya, betul. Kalian udah mau nikah belum? Pengantin bride. Yes, bride itu pengantin. Pengantin perempuan ya, specifically ya. Kalau pengantin laki-laki apa coba? Groom. Broom. Bukan broom. Groom. Broom is another thing ya. Broom itu sapu. Groom. Hati-hati loh, Axel. Groom. Groom aja. Grooms, oke. Kalau grooms nanti pengantin laki-lakinya lebih dari satu lagi. Oke, ya jadi si man-nya bilang the wedding is actually tomorrow katanya. Ini apa pernikahannya besok kata si man nih. Terus kata si woman, I can't believe that tomorrow's our wedding day. Ya, I can't believe, saya masih nggak percaya besok itu pernikahan kita. Dan yang ngomong itu perempuan. So, yeah, she is most probably the bride, right? A. Oke, lanjut ya. Langsung 7, 8, 9, 10. Oke, 7, 8, 9, 10 ya. Oke, jadi pertama-tama kalian try to predict the question first from the options given. Oke.
Number 7.
Should we fill up the tank?
Yes, and put some air in the tires.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 8.
Are you going to the gym to work out this morning?
Yes, to the gym in the morning and to team practice in the afternoon.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 9.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to pick up some shirts I left to be cleaned.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 10.
I'm not sure which day I want to leave on this trip.
When you decide on the date of the trip, come back to the office and you can make reservations and purchase the tickets.
Who is the woman most likely to be?
Okay. BDCB. Okay. BDCB. Alright. DDCB for sure. Okay. Axel berarti beda number 1 ya. Number 1. Iya. Number 7 I mean. BDCB. Okay. BDCB. Thank you, Enjoy, for the gift. BDCB, rel, okay. BDCB. Oke, number 7. Pertanyaannya where, ya kan? Jawabannya semua berbentuk tempat, nama-nama tempat. Pertanyaannya where. So, what is the keyword that you heard for number 7? Fuel, the tank, tire, tangki, okay. Fuel, yes. Okay, fill up the tank. Ya, tadi ada yang jawab D juga for number 7 ya. Let's see, number 7. Should we fill up the tank? Kata first speaker. Fill up the tank, yes, that's right. Fill up the tank. Terus, yes, and put some air in the tires. Yang pertama, si man-nya mau fill up the tank, isi tangki. Terus, yes, and put some air. Put some air itu ngisi angin gitu ya. Put some air in the tires. Isi angin di ban. Nah, berarti di tempat itu mereka bisa yang pertama isi tangki, yang kedua mereka bisa tambal ban. Bukan tambal ban, isi angin. Berarti ya, most probably they are at a gas station. Yes, the answer is B ya. Oke. Isi angin ada juga, ada. Di gas station yang agak gedean pasti ada tuh, bisa tempat isi angin juga kan. Ya, kalau yang lain ya nggak mungkin lah. Airport, nggak bisa isi tangki, supermarket, bike shop juga enggak. Oke, lanjut number 8. Oke, number 8 apa clue-nya, keyword-nya? Ada di Pertamina, jangan Pertamini. Iya, di Pertamini nggak ada ya. Workout, oke, Iqbal, ada kata workout. Gym, team practice, oke. Ya, jadi siapakah kira-kira the second speaker? Oke, jadi tadi katanya, are you going to the gym? Nah, ada kata-kata gym, that's right. Are you going to the gym to work out? Ya, ada kata-kata workout. Are you going to the gym to work out this morning? Yes, to the gym lagi. To the gym in the morning and team practice. Ya, tadi ada jawab team. Yes, that's right. Team practice in the afternoon. Ya, berarti sih second speakernya adalah most probably an athlete. Oke, lanjut number 9. Keywordnya apa? Coba. Kata kunci apa yang kalian dengar for number 9? Shirt. Oke. Shirt bisa aja clothing store. Trip. Ada trip, salah. Shirt to be cleaned. Yes. Shirtnya to be clean, that's correct. Yeah, clean the shirt. Yes, that's right. Can I help you? Kata si first speaker. Yes, I'd like to pick up some shirts that I left to be cleaned. Katanya. I'd like to pick up. Saya mau jemput some shirts that I left, yang saya tinggalkan, to be clean. Ya. So, itu bukan di clothing store ya. Mencuci baju berarti in a laundry. Alright. See. Lanjut. Number 10. Coba keywordnya apa? Trip, ticket, reservation ticket, trip. Yes, that's right. Travel agent, bus driver. Oke. Trip sama reservation. Yes, trip reservation ya. Trip, nah ini. Oh, maksud Eva tadi yang number 10 trip ya. Yes, ya, trip, ada reservation. Oke, jadi kata si man, first speaker, I'm not sure which day I want to leave on this trip. And then second speakernya, when you decide on the date of the trip, come back to the office and you can make reservations and purchase the tickets. Ya, ada kata trip, reservation, purchase the tickets. Yeah, so most probably the second speaker is a travel agent. B. Okay, so that's gonna be all for skill 5 ya. Jadi skill 5 itu tadi tentang who and where, and it is very predictable guys. The question is very predictable. Kita bisa lihat dari pilihannya gitu ya. Jadi kalau pilihannya berupa tempat, pasti pertanyaannya where does the conversation probably take place. Tapi kalau pertanyaannya berupa pekerjaan, who is the second speaker most